Alright folks, I think it's about time I try out one of the big boys. See what this Challenger Limited is talking about, huh? Oh yeah. Sounds good, that's for sure. Oh man, it just floats. Oh, knocked over a cone. Might have knocked over a cone, I definitely tapped one. Couldn't tell if I knocked it over for sure, but... Oh, my man's not lying when he said this thing is a Cadillac. I mean, this baby is smooth, bro. Oh. I've been too scared to get on one of these big boy bikes the last couple years, man. But man, I mean, it really just floats. And I mean, Buddy was not lying when he said it turns even better than a Scout. I mean, that's nuts. Oh man. Oh yes, I get it now. I get it. I get the big bike with the big fairing, and I mean the suspension. The suspension just feels so good. The seat is so comfy. This thing is lovely going down the road, and it does not feel heavy. I'm in love with the way that sounds. I mean, it's putting off some heat down low too. That feels good, because it's a little chilly out today. Oh man, and that fairing with the windscreen is blocking the wind so nicely. Oh, she got some power too, boy. Oh yes. Yeah, I absolutely get it now. I absolutely get it. The Indian Challenger Limited, ladies and gentlemen. This thing feels so smooth going down the road, bro. Oh, look how light it is too. What is this? What are we talking about? I mean, what? My man really was not bullshitting when he said this thing handles better than a Scout. That is insane. I mean, don't get me wrong. He's, you know what I'm saying? He owns a Scout and a Challenger, so he would be the one to know. But he's telling me this, and I'm just like, what? Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to try that Challenger out this time. I'm gonna have to get my hands on that Challenger Elite today too. Oh my goodness. That thing just sounds so good cracking the throttle. It sounds like a freaking fire truck when it's winding down. It's kind of crazy. 122 horsepower, 128 torqueys. I'm not sure what size the engine is on this bad boy, but I mean, she's beefy. It's a beefy bitch. Okay, yeah, that was more than I was ready for in first gear. That was definitely more than I was prepared for by a good bit. But it fucking holds you in so nice, and I mean, it's just planted on the road. Yeah. Yeah, I thought the Super Chief Limited, after I rode that, was gonna be it. But I get it now, man. Because before, I thought, you know, riding with that big ass fairing in front of you, I don't like the way that. Didn't think I was gonna like the way that was, but I mean, it doesn't really block your view at all. Obviously, you don't see quite as much, but I mean, you still see the road in front of you from over top of the thing. So you're really not missing anything. You're still gonna see what's coming at you. It sits low enough where, I mean, unless you are a very short person, that's not gonna be in your way. Yeah, this thing just, it feels magnificent. Just hums along too. Got up in 6th gear now. She's not mad at all. Yeah, I'm gonna need me one of these big boys someday, man. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my goodness. Got a little heat coming off the bottom. Got the big fairing. Got the big fairing protecting you from, you know, pretty much all the wind coming from the top side. Sounds lovely. And I mean, this is a factory exhaust on this. It just sounds like an absolute monster. Yeah, bro, that thing turns nice. Oh my goodness. It absorbs the bumps beautifully, as a big bike like this should. Yeah, man. That's so good. I don't have nothing to compare this to, because I've never ridden a big touring style bike like this. The closest thing would have been the Super Chief Limited, and I mean, as nice as that was, it doesn't even compare to something like this. Like, this thing literally feels like the Cadillac of motorcycles. This is phenomenal. Never ridden any Harleys like this. Hopefully someday I'll get a Harley to compare it to, you know, ride a Harley to compare it to. We'll see what I think. But I mean, this feels just magnificent. As heavy as it is, 819 pounds as shipped. I don't know if that means ready to ride. I'm imagining that means dry weight, so it might be a little heavier with fuel and fluids. But this thing feels so good, bro. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I mean, like, it's obviously a heavier bike, but it doesn't feel, like, it really doesn't feel like a big heavy bike, man. Holy shit. Low-key felt like the front tire came up. It's probably just because the suspension is made to let it kind of do its thing, but yeah, that thing lifted in the front just a little bit. That boy got some torque up under it. Yeah, I mean, could easily get yourself into some serious trouble on this bad boy. Holy, I mean, it is fast, bro. That's nuts. It sounds so beefy. I mean, it just barks. Factory exhaust just absolutely barks. Has no business talking that crazy. Go ahead, bud. This thing is a sweetheart. I mean, it's a sweetheart and a fucking absolute savage at the same time. The way it rides, it's so smooth and gentle on the road. But when you crack that throttle, it's moving out right now, and it's barking. Like, you really don't even need an aftermarket exhaust on this thing, on this kind of thing, unless you just really want to be loud. It just comes so beefy from factory. That is nuts, bro. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't have a whole lot to say, but wow, bro. Wow. If you're a big bike kind of person and you haven't had a chance to ride one of these, I highly recommend it. I mean, I got no complaints. Like I said, I don't have really anything to compare this to. I have zero complaints about the way this bike feels, rides, sounds, looks. I mean, looks good. I prefer the look of the Challenger Elite because, I mean, it's just got that nasty paint job. And I'm not really a chrome guy, but this thing looks pretty damn good. And it handles amazing. Like, you would think, being an 800-pound bike, that it would feel a little heavier, especially going through turns and whatnot. But it's just an absolute joy. I'm so happy I finally got the balls to ride one of these big bitches. I'm gonna have to try out the other ones. Man, I'm gonna have to probably go ahead and charge my camera a little bit, but so I can get some footage of more of these big boys. But man, that's something special. That thing is sick. I might have to try out this Springfield. I think that's a dark horse. As soon as it becomes available again, probably have to try out that Pursuit. Yeah, man. Appreciate y'all watching this video, man. That right there. That Challenger Limited. Definitely one of the favorite bikes that I've ridden. Sorry I don't have too much info on it for you, but as usual, I'll have the link in the description with the info you need. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan of big bikes now, man. Didn't think I was gonna be into these bikes with the big old massive fairings on them, and you know, I don't, just not really much of a bagger guy, but man, I am now. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.